will go wrong. It will, 100%.
Whoa. 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 Tired of living broke, so before I sleep I pray. Then I woke up to my money in the bank. Then I woke up to a chick that ain't complain. Real big goals and my homies want the same. Gangsters moving silence. We been out shutting up the doubters. Fly guys out of public housing. Base loaded betting at 1,000. All them blessings I've been counting. God's work, man, this is God's work. Every single plan, it been God's work. Don't hate what I am, this is God's work. Take it up with the man, boy, it's God's work. God's work, man, this is God's work. Every single plan, it been God's work. Don't hate what I am, this is God's work. Take it up with the man, this is, hold up, blessed up, they can't doubt it. Check the new chick, I be out with. Check the new kicks in the outfit. Shit, I could probably quit rapping, be a stylist. All my niggas fly, more flavor than Ben and Jerry.
So we just wrapped up this Ram 1500 for our friends over at Bali Tattoo. If you're looking to get ink, make sure you hit them up. We'll put the link down below. We did it in the Fuel Mutiny, a 22x10, wrapped in those Nettle Ridge grappers, 305, 45, 22, no level, no rubbing, no trimming, direct fit. This is part of Fuel's brand new line. You're getting the gloss black lip with the satin black face. So if you're looking to get a new set of Fuels, make sure you hit us up.
My homies want the same. Gangsters moving silence. We been out shutting up the doubters. Fly guys out of public housing. Base loaded betting at 1,000. All them blessings I've been counting. God's work, man, this is God's work. Every single plan, it been God's work. Don't hate what I am, this is God's work. Take it up with the man, boy, it's God's work. God's work, man, this is God's work. Every single plan, it been God's work. Don't hate what I am, this is God's work. Take it up with the man, this is, hold up. In a new bag, my new swag, new flows. I produce what these dudes lack, they know we're close. In the bank, I ball like a Sonic. My favorite 2 words, withdraw and deposit. Fresh to death, boy, my outfit's a eulogy. Money talks, I communicate fluently. Set the trend on what's cool, nigga. Usually, I be taking all of them to school, this is truancy.
Are you sure there's any way?
The one with the 1 year manufacturing defect.
Yeah, but I don't like this piece coming out.
No, it's gonna be flat, completely flat. It's gonna be
You mean
inside.
as in this?
There's gonna be no concave. There's gonna be no concave.
I love the concave, that's what I like. Concave is what I like.
We didn't, you said you
I
don't.
don't like that style you had, the flat one. So I don't understand.
So you want concave.
I need a concave but deepish. So the style of what you just showed me, I like it.
Yeah.
So it keeps in, I like it. I want
But concave and deep dish, I don't think we have the space for it in the front.
Okay.
Because of the size of the brakes, we don't have room to do both.
Same here.
Right? So either it's gonna be flat or it's gonna be concave.
See, so that one you just showed me, that Asante one, that one is 10.5 wide.
Yeah, no worries.
Yes.
It's gonna be only 50.
All the niche stuff for 5 on 114 is 10.5 wide.
I know.
So the only way we can do 10-inch wides is if I order 112 and I drill them.
35 wide.
The stance, maybe he showed you the SF10. Show me the photo. Yeah, I have that one. You want to see that one in person? Come look.
Might let you hold that, yeah, that's fire. And then we gonna go something like, I got no cap. Get the message, I'm the president, you should know that. Take no L's, but I might just make you whole.
All right, guys, we are here. We're at Tim's place. He's got these crazy barns set up all around his property. It's just a crazy show. Right now, we're working on a crazy trike, custom built. Shout out the guys over at ABE on this one. They're doing a custom wide body on it, color matched. And of course, we're doing the wheels. We got the wheels dialed in. All right, so we got the two-piece Origin forged. These are two-piece welded. We got the custom XL floater cap with a Harley Davidson logo. You'll see that later on once this is fully assembled. Right now, we're doing test fitting just to ensure that these wide body flares don't need any extra trimming or anything like that before they actually get sent off for color match paint, including the wheels being color matched. So, without further ado, let's rip this apart and see how these wheels fit. We measured this out a few weeks ago. The wheels are now here. The wheels are ready. And before we finish them, we're just gonna make sure everything fits just in case we need to do any extra machining work. We'll do that before the paint is laid down. So let's get rocking and rolling, baby. So let's go for some comparison here. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about for comparison here. So we're going from the 215 18-inch to a 255 20-inch. And let's see how this goes.